Hi everyone, welcome to the AI Beginner series. Today we are starting from the absolute basics. What is AI? You hear AI everywhere today. So let's simplify this first. As humans, we can learn from experience, identify patterns, and make decisions. AI tries to make machines perform similar kinds of tasks. That's the basic idea behind artificial intelligence. Instead of human thinking, AI systems use models, algorithms, and large amounts of data. The goal is simple: make machines behave intelligently. AI can be used in many different areas. For example, chat applications, image recognition, recommendation systems, voice assistants, and self driving technology. Now, the interesting part is AI is already part of our everyday life. Sometimes we use AI without even realizing it. When Netflix recommends movies, AI is analyzing your watch history and suggesting content you may like. When YouTube recommends videos, AI is predicting what you may want to watch next. When maps predict traffic and suggest faster routes, AI is helping analyze traffic patterns in real time. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa can process speech and respond back to users. And tools like ChatGPT can generate answers, write code, and help with learning. So remember this: AI is already everywhere around us. It's not futuristic robots, it's intelligent software working behind the scenes. Alright, that's the basic introduction to AI. In this video, we understood what AI is, how AI tries to simulate human intelligence, and how AI is already part of our everyday life. In the next video, we will understand one of the most important concepts in AI: the difference between traditional programming and AI. That's where things become really interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.